Hi, my name is Shannon Vale, and I would like to talk to you about Neurocore Therapy. I've been seeing Dr. Nesnick for quite some time now, and he's helped me out quite a bit with his adjustments, and he did notice that I was still having quite a few health challenges. So he recommended Neurocore Therapy. I was very interested in this, and so I thought I would go ahead and try Neurocore Therapy. I've been doing it for, let's see, probably have about 15 sessions in, and I have noticed some dramatic changes in my life, and I'm really amazed. One of the things that really blows my mind is that I've had stomach problems since I was very young. My stomach used to burn so bad that I would feel like I was going to pass out. And I've seen several doctors, and I've been taking Prilosec and Nexium and you name it. I've had every kind of acid on the market. I've noticed after doing the Neurocore Therapy that my stomach stopped hurting, and I just couldn't believe it. It wasn't something that I was expecting from the Neurocore Therapy. And I stopped taking Prilosec, and normally if I miss it for just one day, my stomach starts to burn very, very bad. So I've always had this sort of really tightness right here in the diaphragm and the acid reflux. And it actually had gotten so bad that doctors told me that I had Barrett's esophagus, where it moves the cells up and could actually be precancerous. So now I can't believe that I can stop taking the Prilosec and my stomach doesn't hurt anymore. And I feel this sense of sort of calmness and peace, I guess, from the relief of having this pain. There's been other changes also. One of them is that I've been suffering from depression, and I noticed that my mood has changed quite a bit. I feel a lot lighter, a lot happier. I don't have as much anxiety. Sometimes I would find myself getting sort of overly angry and possibly, I think you might call it compulsive. Just to give an example, if I was angry with my boyfriend about something, and it could be something small, I would let him know, and then I would go on and on and on about it for possibly hours, something really small. But now, if there's something that is bothering me, I let him know, and then I noticed when I went to go on again about it, my brain stopped. It was like I was going in that direction, and I stopped, and I just let it go. And I've never been able to do that. So you can imagine that my boyfriend is quite a bit happier. He says I've been so much more pleasant. So that's really awesome. Some of the other things that I noticed is that I'm more organized. I've actually gone through my entire bedroom, and I've reorganized things, and I've found that it's much easier for me to get my stuff done in the morning and get prepared to go out for the day. So I feel a lot more organized, and I'm able to do things in a shorter period of time. So that really helps me out quite a bit. Let's see. Frustration. My frustration level has gone down. I don't get as easily aggravated, and to give an example of that would be, if I was trying to untangle cords or something, I might start sweating and getting really frustrated and angry. And now I can, take a deep breath and remain calm and do what I need to do. Okay, also in the past, I've had a hard time completing tasks. I would start a project, and before I finished it, I would move to another project and start that and not finish it. And I would kind of just continuously do this, and have all these projects that are unfinished, which really wouldn't make me feel very good about myself. But I have found now that when I'm working on a project, I'll go to think about starting another project, but then I tell myself, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be patient and finish the first project. So I've been able to do that lately, and it makes me feel so much better about myself. Also, because of these improvements in my life and feeling like I'm more put together, more organized, have my act together, I've decided to go back to school, and this is huge for me. I've had a lot of health challenges, and I've been waiting for years to be able to make that decision and feel like I'm well enough to go back to school. So I'm really excited about that, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate Dr. Nesnick and his wife so much for introducing me to this Neurocore therapy. I can't tell you how much it's helped me, and how much they've helped me. And if you're thinking about doing Neurocore therapy, I highly recommend it. It really helps for a wide variety of problems. So I hope that you'll make the decision to try Neurocore therapy. It's really worth it. And if I didn't say my name in the beginning, again, my name is Shannon Bale, and I live here in Woodstock. And I was very fortunate to get hooked up here in Dr. Nesnick's office and find somebody who is really trying hard and staying on top of technology, and doing their research and doing their homework and finding out what really helps people. And it's difficult to find people who will do that and who really care and will spend the time with you. And I can tell that Dr. Nesnick and his wife, they get their joy from helping other people. That's where their joy comes from. When they see their patients get better, then Dr. Nesnick and his wife are happy. So this is great. This is awesome, and I'm not used to this kind of treatment, with doctors. So I just want to, thank you for your time.